Welcome everyone. So today we will discuss about our next topic, which is more about salts. Now this topic is very important as well as very easy to understand. It is given that in the previous sections we have seen the formation of salts during various reactions. So we have discussed a lot of reactions till now, and in that most of the products which were getting formed are uh, they were salts. So especially like in case of neutralization reaction, our main product which was getting formed was salt. Let us understand more about their preparation, properties and uses. So activity 2.13, which is about family of salts. Write the chemical formulae of the salts given below: potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate and ammonium chloride. So first of all you have to write their chemical formulae. Now identify the acids and bases from which the above salts may be obtained. Salts having the same positive or negative radicals, radicals here itself mean ions only, are said to belong to a family. For example, NaCl and Na2SO4 belong to the family of sodium salt. Similarly, NaCl and KCl belong to the family of chloride salts. How many families can you identify among the salts given in this activity? So let us just see this once again. What you have to do, you have to identify from which family these salts belong. So here it is given that first you have to write the chemical formulae of the salts. When you will write their chemical formulae, then on the basis of that you can easily identify from which family they belong. How to identify? Suppose if salts they are having any common ion between them, then they belong to that particular family, as it is given here in the third point. Two examples are given. One is NaCl and Na2SO4. So what are the ions present in these two salts? Sodium ion and chloride ion, whereas sodium ion and sulfate ion. So which ion is common among them? Sodium ion. So these two salts, they belong to the family of sodium salts. Now next example which is given is sodium chloride and potassium chloride. When you will be writing their ions, then in the first one it is sodium ion and chloride ion, whereas in the second one it is potassium ion and chloride ion. So which ion is common between them? Chloride ion. And that is why these salts, they belong to the family of chloride salt. So like this only we have to determine the family of certain salts, which is given here in the first point in this activity. So potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate and copper sulfate. As you can see in these salts, which ion is common? Sulfate ion is common. So these salts, they belong to sulfate family. Now the next one is given sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate. So if you have to identify which salts they belong to sodium family, then sodium sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate and sodium carbonate, because in these four salts the the common ion which is present is sodium ion. And then some other examples are also given, like ammonium chloride. So if you have to identify uh, which salts they belong to chloride family, so the examples are sodium chloride and ammonium chloride. So like this only you have to identify the family of the salts given. It is very easy. The only thing which you have to do, the first one is that you have to write their chemical formula. On the basis of chemical formula you can easily understand um, from which ions these salts they have formed. So you will be easily able to understand positive ion and the negative ion. And if you can see any common ion present between these salts, then they belong to that particular family, like we have discussed now itself. So first you have to write chemical formula, and then you have to identify their ions from which the ions they have formed, and then you can do the rest of the work easily. So this is about activity 2.13. Then our next activity is 2.14, which is about pH of salts.